my beauties, hey my bees, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki Beauty, and here on my channel I like to think of the women that follow me as beauties and the men that follow me as bees. So if you want to be a part of the beauty gang, all you gotta do is hit that red subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time your girl upload. It's that simple. So today, y'all read the title, I'm gonna be making a breakfast pizza. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys ever heard of it before, but I got this idea from when I was in high school. I had a home ec class. Y'all remember home ec? Like, that class used to be so much fun. So that's how I learned how to make the breakfast pizza, was from that class. So kind of remembered the steps. So I'm gonna use bacon. I don't have much hash brown, so I just used what was in my freezer. It's defrosted, so that's why it's dripping. So I got a little bit of hash brown. I'm gonna use this brand pan sausage, the regular one, because I don't like my meat spicy. And then I'm gonna use some Kraft sharp cheddar cheese. I use the Crescent rolls. You can use the pizza crust. That's my daughter. You can use the pizza crust, but I don't know, something about the pizza crust just make it more like pizza. It don't taste like breakfast, because I tried. I switched it to the pizza crust to make it like thicker, but I think I like this one better. So your choice, whatever you want to do. And I'm gonna use some heavy whipping cream to make the gravy to go on the pizza. Is that everything? And then I'm also gonna use eggs. So get maybe 3 eggs. First things first, make sure you wash your hands. I'll be washing my hands very thoroughly. My baby over there on the couch watching Miss Rachel. If you know, you know. You guys can see under my nails absolutely nothing. My hands are very clean. So I'm not gonna be using gloves. So don't come in my comments talking about she don't have gloves, she don't have gloves. I'm cooking for me and my family in my household. You do what you want to do, and I'm not putting on no damn gloves. Okay, my hands are clean. So I'm gonna be using this Griddle here, a little bit of oil, a bit of seasoning, put a little bit of garlic salt, I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper, honey seasoning. Now while that's cooking over here, I'm gonna take my pan sausage and put it over here on this side. That looks like something else. Mashing that up, cooking that. And while this is all cooking right here, I have it on 300. I put it on 300. Put your bacon in the oven. Some people like to cook their bacon on the stove. Some people like to cook it in the microwave. So I have my bacon here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of bacon, and I put it on a flat cooking pan, and I got that cooking in the oven. And sausage is done inside this bowl. My eggs up and cook them. I'm gonna put the hash brown inside of here. I'm gonna dab the grease off of that, cut it into small little bacon bit size pieces to put on top. All right, now we're getting ready to make our eggs. I just put a little bit of butter on the griddle, just a little bit. But you don't want to cook it all the way, because remember, you're gonna put your pizza in the oven, so you don't want your eggs to come out dry. So do not cook your eggs all the way, because it's gonna cook more inside the oven. See how it's still like wet, loose like? That's how you want your eggs, because you don't want to cook it all the way. So now you're gonna get your pan of your choice. I'm gonna use a cast iron skillet. I'm gonna clean it out. Iron skillet, you can use whatever pan you prefer. You can use like the flat one, like the one that I made the bacon on. That's what I usually use, but today I'm gonna use this. And you're gonna put a little bit of cooking oil inside of your cast iron and then put it inside the oven. Turn the oven on 350 and just leave it in there for probably about 5 minutes so your pan can get hot and it won't stick to the bottom. So just put a little bit of cooking oil in there. So this is how much cooking oil, so I'm just swirling it around to get it all throughout the whole pan. Bacon here. Sorry y'all, the lighting is not that good sometimes. So I'm just gonna put that in the same bowl with this, the pan sausage, and just cut it up. Cut it up in little small pieces. I find it easier to use the kitchen scissors. That's what they're for, kitchen scissors. You just cut that up. I just hate this lighting in here. Okay, now for the gravy. We're gonna use black pepper, heavy whipping cream, and flour. Pan up, put some cooking oil in there. And then you're gonna add your flour to the pan. It's like a universal thing. Black people don't use measurements, so I don't know what to tell y'all. I don't have any measurements for y'all. Butter to it. You're gonna open your crescent roll. And I'm put in the oven. Then I'm gonna start cleaning up my area. So it's like pre-cut with the dotted lines, but you're gonna just open it all the way, roll it, roll it, roll it. All right, this is what I got so far. We're gonna start layering our pizza. I'm gonna start right inside the pan. If you want to save the rest for another time, you can do so. So start spreading it around. Next, let's see. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and lay the hash brown down. Garlic powder. My meat in there. I'm gonna give it a good mix with the bacon and the pan sausage. Mix that all together. And alright, we're gonna go ahead and put our cheese on top and put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. So put the cheese on top, put it in the oven for a good 15 minutes until your pizza crust is golden brown and everything is melted. This is my breakfast pizza. Yum, yum, yum. Dig in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all have a great day.